Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mile-high meringue. To begin, always use fresh egg whites, allowing them to reach room temperature for the best volume. A critical step is ensuring your mixing bowl and whisk are absolutely clean and grease-free. Even a tiny bit of fat can prevent your meringue from whipping properly. Finally, granulated sugar is essential for achieving that stable, glossy texture we all desire. Once your egg whites are ready, begin whipping them on medium speed until they turn foamy, resembling soap suds. This is your cue to start gradually adding the sugar. Introduce it slowly, about 1 tablespoon at a time, allowing it to fully dissolve into the egg whites. Then, increase your mixer speed to high and continue whipping until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks that hold their shape beautifully. To truly achieve that impressive mile-high stature and prevent your meringue from weeping, a little secret ingredient helps. Add a pinch of cream of tartar or a few drops of fresh lemon juice to your egg whites. This acid acts as a stabilizer, strengthening the protein's structure. Continue whipping for an additional 1 to 2 minutes after adding it, ensuring maximum volume and a perfectly stable meringue. The final step for a perfect mile-high meringue is proper baking and cooling. Bake your meringue at a low temperature, typically around 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 1 hour, then turn off the oven completely. Crucially, leave the meringue inside the closed oven to cool down slowly and completely. This gradual cooling process ensures a wonderfully crisp, dry, and stable meringue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.